Hello, this is Tim from the technical support. Now I will introduce you every menu and every function here. Now we go to the first menu, the system status. You can see all the channels, the device. This is the SWG 2016, the 16 channels JSON gateway. You can see 16 channels here. And SIP information here. And routing information and network information. This is the status page. Now we go to the time settings. You can set up the time zone, the NTP server, and the S1C the time from the internet or from the web browser. And let's we go to the login settings. We can change the username and password here, and change SSH login settings. You can change this. Here you can see the super user. This super user is the root user. They have four rights to. This super user can get all the privilege to access this power device, the top priority. Then we go to the general. You can set up the language. For now, we only support English and Chinese. And here is the schedule jobs. You can set up schedule report by every day, every week, every month. Then here's the tools. We can reboot the whole system, the whole device, or reboot the iService. iService is the PBX engine. And then we can update the firmware here. And if this device is connecting to the internet, you can click the system online update to update the system from the internet. And here is the place you can back up all the configurations. In your question list, hello, we go on. You asked about how to back up the configurations of the whole device. You can click download backup and save it to the desktop. Then the whole device of configurations is ready. And you can upload the configuration file to another device. Then you can get a new device with the old configuration you made before. Click File Upload to finish the restore. And here is the information. You can see the product name, the model name, the software version, hardware version, and you can see the storage usage and memory usage. With the idle status, the memory is only 22% usage. Then we go to the second menu. This menu, this part is very important to relate it to the JSON module, the wireless module. You can see 16 JSON module here, and click edit to enter details of every channel. You need to focus on the volume settings. You asked about how to adjust the volume, the speaker, and the microphone. You can change the value to follow up or follow down the voice. And here is an advanced feature. We can set up the call duration limit here. We can set up the call limit for the single call duration. That means you can we set it to 5 steps. Every step has 16 seconds. That means every single call can go on for only 5 minutes. Then the system will hang up the call. And this button is for the whole channel of the call duration limit. Let's take 1,000 limit. After you set up the call duration limit, you can see the remain time here. That means this channel has 1,000 minutes to call. After the duration after you run out the 1,000 minutes, this module will be blocked. And the duration will And the duration will be reset in next month, the October 11. And this part is for setting up the call forwarding. You can set up the call forwarding unconditional, low reply, busy, or not reachable. And this part is for setting up the call waiting. You can enable or disable the call waiting. This part is for connecting our new product SIM-bank. This DTMF part is for the DTMF detection. It's an advanced option for the very abnormal situation. Normally, we do not touch this. Normally, we do not touch these values. The default value is fit for most of the situation. If you face some situation that the DTMF detection is not incomplete or miss some digits, then you can contact us and we will arrange the R&D to adjust the value. This part is very complicated to understand, so we let this part to our R&D team.
We take 2 calls.
About the call waiting, that means you can access, you can accept 2 calls at the same time, but you can talk to one of them at one time, because the voice channel is only one channel for voice. You can get 2 calls, but you can only talk with only one of them, and you can switch each other. And this BCCH is for detect the carrier BTS base station details, how many cells you can detect and which cell you are using. This is only for some troubleshooting of the RF issue. Normally, we do not use it. And this part is a toolkit. We can send the USSD command to check charge or activate some service, but this is based on the carrier. And we can also send some AT command. And the last one is check number. That means if you do not load the SIM number of the port 1, then you can input You can input the number of your mobile. And click the execute. This is a beta version. It's not an official release. This function is not working right. We will show you later with our official release. And this part is the module update. It's for flash the firmware in the GSM module. It will be used only when the module has some serious bug. Normally, we do not use it.